do I really need to hire a lawyer for my personal injury case? You know, I hear that often. It's a bit of a slight variation of that. I hear it often from my clients. I hear it a lot from almost all of my clients, and that is this general idea that the last thing in the world they wanted to do was pick up the phone and call lawyers and call me and get me involved. They really tried hard to work with the insurance company to try and get their car repaired and put back the way it was, or get it replaced with something that's comparable to what they had, to get their medical bills paid and some money for their time off work. And they just can't get a fair shake. They get the runaround from the insurance company. The insurance company's making them jump through all kinds of hoops. Get us this document, get us this form. They're not wanting to pay them for certain claims. And so they get so frustrated with the process. And these are really good people that have the perception that they're somehow bad if they hire a lawyer. They feel guilty for it, and because they just want a fair shake. But the reality is, and they're confronted with this, and the reality is that they are forced to hire a lawyer to be treated the way they should be treated, to be treated fair by the insurance company. And we get involved and help them with that. And almost every time when we start working with them and walking them through this and really talking to them and asking them questions about, well, what about this? Have you had this issue? Have you had that issue? What about your spouse missing time from work? What about the miles to and from the doctor? Missing performances of their kids. If they're in a play or in a music concert and they miss things because of their injuries. Things that they hadn't even thought about that are compensable under Indiana law. The reality is it wasn't their fault. This at-fault party who ran a red light and hit them, or didn't control their dog and their dog attacked them, they're the ones that are responsible for them being in this spot. And the insurance company, who has collected the premiums over the years from those insured people, should be forced to step up and pay under the policy what my clients deserve. And unfortunately, folks need to hire a lawyer to get us involved so that they get a fair shake. And we're there to help them with that.